It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about our Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you what exactly you need to do if a seller refuses to refund your money back in Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDobish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Taobao, click on here to proceed to your profile. Then I'll get into your profile. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to track your refund progress. Then it's going to take you right there. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to proceed. That's going to take you right there. At this point here, you have to apply for refund intervention by customer support. What you need to do right there is to simply click on this icon right there and follow the prompt. Speak with the customer support live chat in order to take proper action over the refund request between you and the seller. And with that, your refund will be successfully. Once your refund is successful, you're going to see the money back into your bank card or Alipay or WeChat or any means that you use to make payments on Taobao Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.